Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the RFID board on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new RFID board for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. If after replacing your water filter and the water filter indicator is still on, you may need to replace the RFID board in your refrigerator. Since we'll be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. To gain access to the RFID board, you'll first need to remove the water filter. This model of refrigerator is compatible with two kinds of water filters. Each is removed differently. To inspect your filter, open the cover by depressing the locking tab. If your water filter housing is black, pull it out as far as it will go, rotate it counterclockwise to remove. If your water filter housing is gray, simply swing it out and pull it away from the connector. Do not rotate it as you will damage the refrigerator. Then, remove the screw holding the board in place using a Phillips head screwdriver. Gently pull the board away from the water filter compartment, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Using the needle nose pliers, pinch the plastic tabs together to release the board from the cover. If you need to purchase a new RFID board, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new RFID board to the cover with the connector closest to the screw hole and press until it snaps into place. Then, reinstall the electrical connector. Align the cover to the retaining slot on the refrigerator housing, insert the back first and swing into place, then reinstall the screw. Insert the water filter into the connector, being sure that the side labeled front is facing out, and swing into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this one, please consider subscribing.